PIA के जहाज में मेरे वतन की यादों में रहता हूँ। दिल की पहली उड़ान आसमां की बुलंदियों में मैं, पाकिस्तान का झंडा मेरे दिल में रहता है।
Hello everyone, welcome back to a brand new video. Today I'll be unboxing the JC200 scale PIA A310-300 in the 2005 livery, the modern main livery with the Pakistani flag on the tail. So as you can see, we have three different versions. JC Wings did release three variants with the Gilgit Silk Route livery as well as the Hyderabad City of Perfume livery. I'll be doing a review on that as well, so let's get right into the unboxing. So as you can see, very detailed box with the PIA logo, PIA aircraft, the Airbus name, and then we have our different tails as well. Look from the back. As you can see, we have our three liveries showing from the side to the top. Specific details about the Airbus A310 with the PIA logo as well. And yes, so I know this box is very hard to open because it is very tight inside, so I'll get the box open and then I'll show you guys up close. Alright guys, so here is the box. It was very difficult for me to remove, but managed to get it out, so here it is. Very beautiful model. Wow. So as you can see, with all of our 1 to 200 scale packaging, we have our main landing gear down, as well as our landing gear up doors with two sticks for the fan blade, and then our main stand. And then the main model. Beautiful. This is my all-time favorite livery, as all of you know. As you can see, similar tails. No doubt, very gorgeous. All right, so we'll set this up on its back, and then we'll put the gears on, and then we'll start with the review. All right, so here is our main landing gears. As always, we will start with the nose. And then our main landing gear. Now our left main landing gear, and there it is. So as you guys know, these ones don't move up and down, but the wheels do move. This one also doesn't rotate 360. Actually, I think it might. No, these ones are fixed. Yeah. So the nose gear, as you can compare, the in-flight 200, they move 360. JC Wings don't. But no doubt, very beautiful detail. All right, I have my 360-degree rotator, so I'm gonna try and see if this will fit on top of here. And it does. Perfect. Let's try to give it a bit of a try. Amazing. Alright, so we'll try something new, a bit of a review while doing this. So as you guys can see in the current livery, this is the main 2005 livery. So with the one main and key detail is that you have your PIA logo in Urdu, your just PIA name titles, and then the main Pakistan flag on the tail. So as you can see, a lot of people usually got confused about the color in the real aircrafts. I'll try to put a picture in the bottom to show you guys what I mean. It sometimes can't tell if they're the similar color or not, but in this one it's obviously very detailed, so you can clearly see the two different colors. One is main white and then a little bit of a beige color. But in real life, it was a bit lighter, so the colors were kind of similar, but no doubt still my all-time favorite livery. So with our details, obviously there's no PIA logo on the engine. We do have our main registration, Alpha Papa Bravo Echo Quebec, and same on the wingtip. We have our registration detail as well with the antennas, as you guys can see here, and then our main beacon light gem on top and as well on the bottom, and then details onto the doors, windows, very detailed, and then obviously we have our cockpit design as well. So very much perfect details on this aircraft, but definitely a very beautiful model. So I'll give it a try to move the engines. They should move on these ones because they did give two sticks for us to try it out, so I'll give you guys an up-close look on that. Here we have our engine. As you guys can see, very much detailed inside the fan blades. So let's give it a try and see if these move. Yes, they do. Very nice. Alright, so I put the aircraft on the stand to give another different look. So we'll try and give it a 360 look on here. Start it up. Try the other side. There we go. Definitely a very nice model. I just have to say the shine on JC wings and the detail. I would say that In-Flight 200 is more shinier, more glossier compared to JC wings. But either way, they have that shine there, so definitely amazing work. A couple things I would recommend on the aircraft is that the stand maybe add a bit more color. With the white, it doesn't look like, it does look nice, but if they added, you know, as you can see, there's a bit of a gap in between the logo. If they fix that, maybe add something on the sides as well. But as well on the stand over here, you guys might be able to see it's leaning more towards the front, and there's a bit of a gap in between the back, if you guys can see there. So sometimes I am afraid, you know, when I'm displaying it, and then if I do move the shelf or move another model, it might fall over. So just those, you know, small precautions. But other than that, detail on the aircraft is phenomenal, and amazing. So so I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Very quick one. Let me know if there's any other models you would like to see on my channel. I guarantee I probably 99% have that model. So we'll start with the remaining A310 models, and then I'll slowly go with the 1 to 400 scales as well that I have, and then we'll mix it up and then show you guys my whole collection. So once again, I hope you guys enjoy this quick review. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment on what you guys want to see next. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Take care, and thank you once again.